Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. It's unboxing. So I'm trying to do this after my work day at the office. And it is for a Michael Kors. So this is like one of my unicorn bags. And I'm just really into pink right now. Look at this beautiful bag. Look at that. The link will be below the video. They're currently sold out as of February 2nd, but that does not mean that that link will not work. I put this in my cart during the holiday season because I was hoping that it would go down in price, and it didn't. It absolutely did not budge for the holidays. So it went out of stock, and I decided I was going to keep it in my cart and not remove it. It did say currently unavailable, but I kept it in my cart. And when it became available again, I just went ahead and bought it for the current list price. So I don't think you can get this purse for a discount. When I went and checked and Googled it, it said, just gonna let you see how it looks. It has the side pockets. I was able to find videos as old as 5 years ago. So this is a pretty old bag, but it is so beautiful. Look at it. And I'm gonna call this pink edition because all the bags that I open in February will be pink. So I'm just, like I said, we've been on a pink craze, and it has a clochette, if that's what you call these. Look at that. They had it in brown, black, like a cream color, and this, which will be in the rose. So she skipped the line as well because I have other pink purses, but I wanted her so bad. And like I said, I found her in like October, November, and just kept her inside my cart and waited. She stuffed pretty well. And this is how she look in the inside. Nice line. Has one side pocket on the side and one zip on the side. It does have the Michael Kors logo here, and like I said, these pockets. I'm gonna try to keep this video under 10 minutes. I don't remember the name of it, but I will have it in the title. And of course, you see I like the clamps here. I know everyone was going for the pretty much pink collection for Coach, but I really, really wanted this bag. And it was just a smidget cheaper, I think, than Coach. I want to make sure you guys can hear me. Oh, here she is. Plenty of room. Very cute. And this is one of my items from my pink collection. I'm going to go ahead and take off the all of this, and I'll be right back. thing I know for sure is that I'm going to have some technical difficulties when I'm doing these videos. So I was able to cut off the tag, and this is the Michael Kors Women Grayson Middle Duffel Satchel in Rose. Here's the tag. Like I said, I'm going to leave the link because they do come in and out of stock. And of course the paperwork, which I'm going to put these two together and back in here. And I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to try to keep this video under 10 minutes. And since we already got it packed up, already got it wrapped, let's see how I'm going to. It has a great amount of room, and I just went and looked while I was waiting on my phone to recharge. This is about 11.75 inches across the bottom, and it just has a lot of room. This could be your everyday bag if you want it to be. So we're going to call this the front, right? Let's see what goodies I brought for this bag. Okay. So I have a Michael Kors wallet. I've had this for a while, so I don't try to remember what it was like. I was doing it last summer. It's a card holder, driver's license, and it has a little bit of pink in it, if you can tell. Let me see if I can move a little closer to the camera for a brief second. So it has a little bit of hearts on it, and now what I don't like is that it is gold hardware, but no one's going to be able to see all of that. I don't remember the name. Like I said, I've had this for so long, but it's cute and it kind of goes with it. Let's move it back a little bit. See it? Now I just been in a pink phase, so the majority of the bags I've been buying, most is in pink. So I have this pink scarf that maybe I can put on the side. I'm going to do all pink little pouches and things like that. What else? And I have my Coach. I want to show you guys this Coach is, I got it in 2015 and it didn't age well. You see that cracking? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these off. Now what I do like is that they did put the tags on this one, and then you see the Coach logo right there. They don't too much do that on the new ones anymore, but it's on this old one. So I'm going to get a little bit closer so you can see that the strap is, see it? Bam, the camera just caught that. So I'm going to cut it and keep it because why not, right? It's still in good shape other than that. So, yeah. That's that. And I have bag charms. Straps the sack. I wasn't able to find this anymore because I was going to link it below. But I will link something similar. And I'm not going to take this off because it's just too much. And we're just trying things on, right? See how it looks with the heart and the little chain. And what I will probably do is move this side. Let's make it a little wider on the outside. And then I have my Michael Kors. I had on my other bag, which was like the Balenciaga dupe. Since this is wild berry, kind of in the pink family, I'm going to use it, and it's in the silver. So let's put it here. I'm not gonna have both, but I'm just decorating it, just to let you guys see the potential. What I would do is I probably would take the sack off, alright? Because why would we remove the Michael Kors? And then maybe keep this, maybe, on the side. Tell me what you think. How would you decorate it? What would you do? Would you keep the scarf? Would you change this out and put this, or keep this? Would you take this off and just have the bow and maybe one charm? Tell me what you would do. And this would be how I would carry it. Yep. So that is all, everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next unboxing, unbagging video. Bye. I am back, everyone. I have wrapped this video up and I told everyone goodbye and everything. And today is the next day, and I want to show you what the purse looking like. And I just have on a denim. It's like a button-up skirt. I do still have that little pouch. And I have it because I had 2 C-sections, you guys. I'm assuming that most of the audience here are women, so you understand where I'm coming from. But yeah, I still have my little mommy pouch. I've had it for years, so but it's going down because it was bigger than this. But here we go. This is how she is looking. She got this cute scarf, and I was at Kohl's. I went to do a return, an Amazon return for my daughter, and this was at the register, and they give you a coupon for 15% off. So I grabbed this because I'm thinking, oh, okay, we're going into, Valentine. I want to get something cute. I wish they would have had this in a silver heart instead of this black, but we're gonna work with it and just put it here to see what it look like. And let's see. Is this doing too much? Tell me if this is doing too much. This bag is cute. Okay. And look at the detail. It's the same detail is here. I apologize. I paused. I could hear the people next door. Look at her. Look at her. And like I mentioned, I got these from Amazon, and they come with my keychain piece as well. So I'm going to use these as my carry-ins, or my in this. It is. Let's see if it tells us what this is. This is the Jet Set Travel light cream multi medium billfold with zip corner wallet, and it's abbreviated. I just kind of figured all that out. I got it for a different Michael Kors purse, a lighter, but she cute. I'm used to pouches though, so that's why I will definitely be using these two, and they both have hearts. Look at that. Okay, so and then I'm probably not going to use this, my sack, but you will see it later. And I'm not going to use the chain, but I am going to, this is how I'm going to carry her, just like this. And let's just go ahead and put the straps on it. And these side pockets, definitely Kleenex, hand sanitizer, lotion, the quick things that you would grab. I did see somebody make a comment, you know, when they did the review, that they packed this purse and it weighed 8 pounds, and it was not, they were not struggling. Now this may be too much. I could remove something, but I like that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. And look at the detail. This is pink too. It matches and it lift up. Yeah, she cute. She real cute. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next unboxing video. Bye.